Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel dedicated to the art of wooden candle decoration. Here we combine the natural beauty of wood with the warm, flickering glow of candles to bring you a world of captivating designs and dye projects. Join us as we explore the limitless possibilities of transforming simple wooden candle holders into stunning works of art. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a beginner looking to delve into the world of candle decorating, our channel has something for everyone. Through step by step tutorials, expert tips, and creative ideas, we will guide you on how to carve, shape, and embellish wooden candle holders to create unique and eye catching designs. From rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern aesthetics, we will cover a wide range of techniques and aesthetics to suit various tastes and preferences. You will also find inspiration from our collection of completed projects, showcasing the enchanting ambience that wooden candle decorations can bring to any space. Discover how different types of wood finishes and embellishments can elevate centerpieces or charming gifts. Our channel is not just about the final results, it's also about the journey of creativity and self expression. We believe in the therapeutic and meditative nature of crafting, and we are excited to share that experiences with you. Together, we will explore the artistry of woodworking, the calming presence of candlelight, and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. So, whether you are looking for inspiration, guidance, or simply a soothing escape into the world of craftsmanship, subscribe to our channel and ignite your passion for wooden candle decoration. Let's embark on this artistic journey together and light up your